Into betting about say Giovanni the be a brand more relationship. And so our ex Giovanni to say on Jim and purchase or yeah or Barbie beating a man yet. I also ever can't a 2-bedroom summer. No punish because a man dear be Bruna creating a war some money one first and your baby and the war starts or being Biama or the better easy or the issues of it revenge. Now take revenge as a mind at all.
Saint Tim, former UCC student, currently a worker in TV3, and Sembi Betu Jana and Sembi Munchimono, what the end Bema, one the Chia Kafome, only the Pemwa girl, Eddie Ebek Tuja, now the colleague on TV3, Giovanni, or no sooner do woman as a best separate or year or minimum. Now I know a year Giovanni, Enya Aqueniano, or delay show so. Now the ladies are question to just say Bayan how clear send a Bayan dinner just say a Bayuano abo and Bema woman that damage say oh my Ghana phone in say a room and I say in that a year Giovanni and they some to just say one dear a Bayuan come and I Bema woman that is no to Jamon one come be. The tear for and no and a year a value and day a bidder or a year on send and see can to be 3 was a baby young. Now I will hear what the better jam who shape and someone what the 2 jana was to say, yeah, a branch here and hand the quality no Giovanni and the yellow friend a walker. I didn't know to be chance and a video about 1 year, young question and family.
In light of we speaking up last week, we spoke about domestic violence, emotional abuse and all that, and I was saying people should speak up, talking boldly on TV. Speak up. And I have my own issues, and like I've zipped up my mouth, protecting who for what, zipping up for what, I wonder. So Giovanni Caleb is a colleague. We all work at Media Journal. And I see some of you saying, why don't I address it with him at work? It wasn't a discussion in a makeup room. A whole interview with delay. Global, like everybody's gonna watch it, people in the diaspora, everything. And he goes like, I lied. And then he said it so nicely, she's my friend, and you know, I supported her in her campaign and all that. Yes, she did, but even that one, it was like a work he had to do. I came to Star FM, and the show I was given, you were the host. You have to pay your bills, so whether you liked it or not, you still had to do it. And I came to do an interview to promote bipolar awareness. So if I had any issue with you, I really don't have any issue with you. It's unfortunate that I'm very vocal about my sexual escapades. Even when I don't put it on social media during my relapse, all my close friends know that I talk about how great sex was for me or not so great. That is who I am. You see, I enjoy talking about sex, researching on sex and all those things. Some people say it's bad, so sometimes I work on it, or I'm working on it to tone it down, quote unquote, so that you can be in a stable relationship and finally get married. You can be your own self. So I don't know why, Giovanni, you go and sit there and lie. You could have just said no comments, because that's what I do anytime people ask me about anybody that was on the list. You know, just no comments, because I don't know why I should lie for you, or it wasn't something I was even supposed to talk about, but I did have a relapse and I spoke about it, and there was no lie about it. But you know, there are so many strings attached, so sometimes you But I don't understand why you would sit on TV and be confident enough to lie. And because maybe you think I'm a mute, or I'm not a confident woman, or I don't know, if you ask somebody to, we didn't even talk about this, and you just go and say that about me. And people keep on saying, oh, she's always making up stories when she's having a relapse. She's mentally unstable. So whenever she says something, don't take her serious. I think before I'll do this video, like, I texturized my hair, so it was like all over the place. I had to go and brush it up so that I look kept before I make this video, so nobody would think, oh, she's having a relapse. I'm just emotionally drained. Like, why he would say that. And then there are other underlying issues of girls that are coming to me, asking me, telling me about stuff they are going through, and I would advise them, and I can't advise my own self. I can't take my own advice. That is very sad. Mothers, ladies, advising your daughters, asking them to speak up. I hope you do speak up when it gets to your turn, when that person in power, or that person that you really respect, says something negative about you or does something unfair to you. I hope you'll be able to speak up.
Etiefo abayo abena ko TV3 presenter ana worker wodi mbema obune na da list betu dwenti akotwetwe nsem ama anu yi aba wo hwe video na senior CD kan bo boss no chirechire mu se bema ni de yade a do so ampa wona ni di mpemu agronti esi dan na ntro otiko tina delay show a chese ko echire etwa ntro fa no chese no tanshi ono abayo ani di na already na do ni so no abayo na ase on che na anye correct sir. Na wasa consistu no na chese wo confirm ya do na susu na ni de mu chire mu no ni ya ba ye efianso ma etimi saben kun so aye be twetwe ye nkomodi afa onu apa abotwe nko beju so se bibi aye find ya na mi adom ye de radi ase na wo hwe eye insemi abetodwe ya video abayo ya beyi mu anu na ne kwan so anu na anka abantie eye Giovanni anka eye se oka nokre ana se no sika ndie ne kwan so anu.
First, we didn't actually too much G. I should phone you, Nanny, for the Chiamina. Mechanic say, about Obama after my Chai, Nasabio, Gracias say, Medium Munu, Caponi, and Mamma be free at the da. Gracias would be better to talk one thing, Abu Mudiama, Biasa Fanina, and with the number of people out of my idea. More I said you are not just an ordinary person, sir. Who's I Jumaka TV3, you are known. What you say, I feel say no in Chai ye, Jimmy Sam Crana, Bani, no. Nyansa bien, said you meet me, any member and dates in I am interviewing my people who got the number of men and know my name. I be. And yes, I find out first, but one person who brand now said that's number one. What an issue image, respect, and then who can solve my yourself and in your say, you a brassing or idea, what about that? Which it's not healthy. Okay. And yes, sir, because I was a Ghana now, you're one. We be, and I said, what can't sema, nipa to me so one. And as a worker, to what it did 20 years for internet, no, free, a very fair will be that could be when you have be our worried and you pass away. Now, I call be for fair work as I go away, and also I mean, a 12 was Friday. I did down. I didn't remember. I feel say a child, Nina Sapan, so say, Jenny and Pala, some say, who will be baby, be not a one thing, Obama, one jay cry, I jay on the side. Now, I buy brother Giovanni Susua, and said you say, be as that time now in the church, no worry. What you say? Cecilia, he was a married man with kids. And I said, you be as an air one will be protecting the brand, will be protect the bushia by as a mother or she or Pajani rings no say ya or the Cataya ma even book or Paja Nataba is no dead or the abode among by 7 ya a wolf from a Ego emede best so ne mind enko enti me hu say Giovanni say am purpose say no way bia he never expected say what about the two abontin it's a call for say no wa chimpuna de no chese say so the two abontin ma yes sama na yes sama na me hu say me no why den aye bibi say bio is a married man now enti fan say wo ka say when you hear how is the wife also going to take it and that so you no oba no proper na sa de no eto na say be ma Giovanni so many person say say ada I don't go banja bro how are you going to feel who could party send or obe side there after and said Giovanni na you that one or your humble man even though it's job ya o she not be free o she say go see e fire ni niema or you be on per se like ube kana sem trasa he's protecting his brand and Ghana na your so protecting your brand is very very necessary say the so no be a big one I don't just also the plan ebe to about exactly it is a Giovanni Edina here a problem mini ageni because said you so me kwa me Giovanni ABB I mean to be jam in ka say me Giovanni ABB we are all going what I say e be ata ma usha na no worry here and ABB chem ma worry into what is the point say was all the tuja and Maria say no so my said there's so much of black today we no ABB that and today
na yen show abayiwe abina kokoni ni yawo yi wo hwa injina so bi wo ho ko ba say bi an office be na ne da no ke be serious e na ankoba ni sa ana say bibi koso e na e ma ne tumi e be ye list de Giovanni di e be pie mo
mo say e ma ye wo bi wo mo say sebio ye mo pride se oni ye bibia ye feel se wo fa ade asumbo ayede efri ho into the moment a oni ye bibi no ye expect se oni ye beto aso ayede achempuna amana akọ sorry akọ pie wo awaremu what you say into se oba me se oni ye bi na fe no our rear entity memoir ye di yawo and obazo so die so ka so betiki like obetiki within there e betiki 100 years now obetiki revenge no what you say exactly sa into oba say bia Giovanni entity ni ya brama ni de oni ne chimpana no ono ze be ma so die so pewa e won sem there obe dey asset of obeka dey acho but onya mu vie na no chi ne ni say sorry mo kwante me tefo into no e ko ba sa na so ade na ide ahanu ye ebia wan du kure bia de me mo ide ma woman nti ko ba sa na delay so die o sin obra we say eduro udru wana na or the acho and so we saw question that why this smart when you so wisdom obeka tra abechu no wonya ba so say asema me kan kwa munya kama yede manka inte betimi aba say bia Giovanni yede ye bia brama mo relationship mo and so our edge Giovanni so say onjinjini mu enkwa chese bia oye obani binti ne man yede I want so ebeka etu bejem sana no pare so because a man die be brena creating a war money bonfire and your baby and was so being Biama or the better easy sir or maybe this will be taking revenge now take revenge as a mind Anton
say the tear will cast in one as a whole fan the bit never say a Giovanni Woye deny no ne kwanso
bet me aba say and I make am anything by so you but time on year na on worry what say you go be to say me worry ye na say bia obi we ka so ni mention but I can go listen so ye dey you but say ni na ye dey ama no kwa ye ntem my dey attitude ba entiase ba ye ntem ye mu ye dey attitude and it's different from say ma worry na ba be busan sa question we yes sana I say who bibi ase exactly you who felt every day because when some I didn't say that he now one can I feel my worry I'm living happily with my because recently I did a year purchase a bed I didn't even bet to one or celebrate it. What I say? And that person I said and most student so far as worry and that you also need a person see action now with the about the end and the problem the ever too late one yes now who be man GD trust enipo bill say what worry me said then when I say them see for Jude no better it's no I see it in a ways in a perspective say Giovanni only date here but now no time only date no worry but say no worry it's all protect your bushia and brand okay and he doesn't see the reason why it's here no one champ when was said would be better once me rest am make you know say am no we me no watching kuna
let me chip in what share said the akwakobeya one ni petu ni na workers e wo ye TV3 san ye we ya e koso ebetimi epuli eye TV3 station ebetimi epuli won da ebetimi attention on image ebetimi abre eye on viewers asiana ebetimi affecting eye TV station in any way
no how entimi affect no affect TV3 but me what I'm a bit worried about is if there enmity if a bit me a pretty me can say or time here so far as me na juma TV3 no but affect TV3 the way of personal life what I say it doesn't have anything to do with TV3 say I say TV3
TV3 show system you watch also one brand also a business a human almost 1 year every work in be pay responsible people from a brand you know ni mo nyam share na we akoba we that we who say everything are great before on viewers like everything are brand you know I say no giving them one as a own
affect teacher say but see I said TV3 owner of TV3 and CEO of TV3 and I walk up yes say so you be akoda no dear I can boldly say e dey affect TV3 brand na answer but when you individual it could happen say time Giovanni ni be di meche brand no mutu ni na no nyede omunye ejuma TV3 what you say it's no it me affect
okay what about them almost from job
of course especially with the woman who lose job or who they so lose job but can they and two it falls in two places everything about say or betimi lose nejuma and now say ebia say the nanka respect and mutu no one eso be dey ebeti ebe affect your brand but the whole TV3 the affect but your brand there ebeti affect and especially what urban side no people will start looking down upon you say and you know urban come say na go say na no matter but and if you can boldly come out and say you person say now only your mother there and they say me kwa na me be man na me ebia who admire bi o baby na say nipa ne pewa for once so far as waiting me about be for me ma only ma chimpuna abo Giovanni din kwa de me say me so me ba me pe wona say bia anko na wa real kwan so na me ni wuja ya wo be bo ni di so ebe pinya enkofu be bra na mo pe ge odo mo be chi mo wa de abeje because so bia mpese wo be sanisi ni image na so bia mpese we no ebe chimpuna na ba be tu beje say yes ni so me no na na so enkofu wa e different but say me no wa chimpuna e na awari adin na ma ware na unware yentin na just wo be kan to abontin a enye enche your ban e be affecting be ma de be mo no wo ye na de wo but wo ban
the man so in back to one by
oh of course
I share a response I be a response outside video ya share ye outside response but to that say outside can see to say be one you transfer no Lady no say na wo ka so ye normal dear.
Oh, oye normal you obi wo ho no obi so but sempa say yemfa ekwapim polo enya mfato. Time a ekwapim polo eba ejidin ye de eba no. Wo ka say oni wache Freda Mugia ye adate pen. But so only Freda Mugia ye endate pen. Eche no ko challenge chekwa ye de ko pan chew. Say ono wo use the guy e dey trending. What you say? So it could be say enyampa ebe so use Giovanni di no there no dey trending and as a bit member so say eyampa so ni here do ani chimpna but it wasn't necessary say was say nkwodi guy ni there ebe to about it because he's not a single man.
Now the lady is she normal? Is she okay? Like everything she did now was Sabe responded or normal because
normal
fair or multi-million same brand money any normal person will find it difficult to obey.
Of course, she's not the first person doing this. There are a lot of women I interview on one. They've also said same.
Yeah,
but I feel sad. It wasn't necessary for her to come out and say stuff like this. So when you get any personal because internet doesn't forget. We should 20 years for now. Every day, dear, my work as a mind as a child. What I say, so it wasn't necessary for her to do this kind of a big and then it's quite between Giovanni. And we are so who need baby I'll be shall work, who need your bed once I want to in as we say Jumaya. I will say to be three. Okay, Nemeka I shall phone say any a good to come with Giovanni ni a banner say, Minyaba and Chai ye, Sebio say. Why who feel now the Ubu and a second is who blockade and ensure the member from coming into your life because of that or there being more per se or no betchim na Nasan to our area or the give up a swap bonty. It's childish. Obien one more or yes sir said the internet no internet doesn't forget to na me show na when you be no na fe asaba berifel we say na we the kind into yeah and yes sir so open interviewer you should have that's what God has endowed us with wisdom. You should be smart enough to cover up certain things just to protect your brand because TV3 are we you can see aji dimpa ewo Ghana has say into yes na ugu TV3 so ehun finti mesu so say enye sa biom bibisa na fashion na Ghana na ede ewo na ye nua be ma Giovanni so se bibisa ba na mechanism who dey wait me can be me farm because wa kwa ye be ma and I say baby kwa we dey no na wo nye dey na worry ye and to concern protect to brand protecting there ehun nya pa ye say be you be international image da emfa fin emeka na say be osusu no obi chimpo na say be a wo hye na wo fe dey pa na try to apologize na behind the end of the day say be next time no no be kwahihye wa odi nye dey empia content.
Yo, if you answer man, I will pray. And that's no problem. I'm sure. It's here for me. If you answer man, you share more. Now we share a year about real estate and be no expect to say Bema or involved. I want body did it and do interview as here. One conference say I'm passing from Palestine. Work and one, but I can't so I don't know. And I Bema no son of 2 years ago, dear. When you watch one years to share or not so then I was wondering found by doing Chumbe, I didn't check to your comment section. Was I was subscribing to too much but my dear, I said too much dear. There were too much at the mouth. With the any messy cow. I had a remember quite and doing was saying the part the rest of Asia with my car.